How to convert Word to Excel? Simply open your Word, write name, just select, go to insert, showing it to table option, press on this arrow option and showing it to convert text to table. Okay, press on OK. Now convert this. Second step, press on to file to save as. Press on to browser, select location, like I'm select to download folder, to rename to friend name and save this. Now first step is done. Close this. Open your Microsoft Excel. New tab. Press on to data option. From text, go to this file, select and import. Press on transform data. If you want to rename to file or overall set, close and keep. And as you can see, now successfully convert this. That's it.